Hello there, we're gonna learn how to do a knee drop jump, a butterfly jump. I've heard so many different names for this, but this has been such a popular video on my Instagram and TikTok that I thought I would do a little bit of a deeper dive on it if you're trying to learn this for yourself. First, most important thing to know is that you're not ever gonna drop directly onto that kneecap. You're actually gonna wanna fall onto like the side of your leg, basically your calf muscle. That area is a lot squishier. You got more muscle and things to protect your leg. It's gonna feel a lot better if you land kind of on the side than if you land right on your knee. So keep that in mind. Now, the way that I like to teach this, and the way I taught myself how to do this, was to first just break it down slowly. So first you wanna learn how to just do a basic knee drop to the floor without the big jump dramatic part. You first wanna try it nice and slow using your hands. I'm gonna step with my right foot, then I'm gonna drop down on my left, like I said, onto the side of that leg, catching myself with my hands here and pushing that right leg down and around. So you'll notice that I ended up like this. I'm on the side of my leg, not on my knee. Once again, let me show that, maybe facing this way. I step forward on my right, then down on the left, catch myself with my hands. That's the very slow version. You wanna try and do that a little bit faster, catching yourself with your hands again. You'll just drop here and then work your way up to doing it without any hands. So you can maybe try one hand here and then try 0 hands. You need to brace your core. So hold those abs really tight. Don't think down. Actually, I want you to think up. The more that you can kind of use your body, hold yourself up with your muscles, the less impact you're gonna make on the floor, and it's just gonna be easier overall. So no hands, you might wanna just like swipe them across like this. And I start to roll a little bit out of that. To the front with no hands, it looks like this. So now that you're kind of cozy with getting down to the floor, you wanna start adding some traveling into this. So you might wanna go right, left, right, drop to your knee and roll. And just try that again, going across the floor as much as you need to so that you feel comfortable traveling. So you're basically just doing a little tuck and roll, right? And then maybe add a little bit of momentum into it, like add a quicker run and try and do more of a like little jump into it. And then is when you really gotta start just going for it. And at this point I would recommend a few things, maybe knee pads, maybe doing it on carpet, or maybe doing it on a mat, but you're gonna add the jump in. Run, run, jump. So as you can see in the air, I'm doing this. This is how I do mine, that's how I was taught. I like to bring my arms across and forward, and I jump into it sort of leading with this side of my body so that I can appropriately roll out of it. So let me show that again. So it's gonna take a while for you to get comfortable with how to tuck and land it and look graceful. Because as you can see, when I try and do it on the right side, I don't practice it as much, so I don't have a very like graceful landing. I think actually the key is like just to keep yourself rolling. Don't even think about it. Like just do your butterfly. Having the soft surface definitely helps. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that like button, the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And thank you for watching. I want to do one more, just like for kicks, you know? Why are those so fun?